One desirous of getting money, avaricious. An animal feeding on fish, piscivore. Can be read clearly, legible. Act of killing one's own father, patricide. Government runs its administration through departments staffed by civil servants. Bureaucracy. Person who directs preparation of a newspaper. Editor. Person who does not think or behave like everyone else, but has independent, unusual opinion. Maverick. Child of usual, unusual, or remarkable talents. Prodigy. One who believes in fate. Fatalist. These are all the one-word substitutions. If you want to know, I will provide you many others. This is up till this now. Okay.